Hi guys! So I've made some changes to the portfolio section of the site, and this is going to explain how to use them. It's very similar to what we've been doing with the tours and the blog sections because it's a collection item, but just in case, this video is going to show you how to use it. So I'll show you the changes that I made real quick. First of all, I updated the footer menu to make sure that the properties section said properties, it said real estate. So now it says properties, and then we have VR, tours, and photography instead of the portfolio section. So then you'll see that in the top menu as well. When we hover over portfolio, it brings up a sub-menu, and you can choose between VR, tours, and photography. So VR tours will take you to a page that's basically exactly the same as the portfolio page was before. You can see everything's just migrated over there. So it all works exactly the same, but here we have the photography page, which is brand new. So what I've done is I've created a collection for photography galleries. That way we don't have to create individual pages for each gallery, and that'll kind of keep your your pages menu a little bit neater. So as you can see, we only have one here. I'd put together a sample gallery just so you could see how it works, but we can click on it, and also when you get past, I think it was 9 per page, then you'll see those pagination buttons, this and next as well. But for now, we just have this one sample gallery, so we're going to click that. Okay, and then we still have our same header and footer menus down here, and then we have the back to galleries button, which will take you back to the photography page. And then here is the sample gallery with a little CTA down below. You can click on each of these pictures and it'll pull it up in a gallery so you can scroll through them, just like this. Okay, so what this means on the back end, let me pull that up here. Let's see, this guy. Okay, so what that means on the back end is that we now have 2 separate pages. We still have the portfolio page and it still exists, but it's not being indexed anymore. It's just there so that the navigation works properly. So now we have this VR tours and this photography page. So we're going to click on photography and open that page up. Okay, and so yeah, like you can see, we have these grayed out because we don't have enough actual galleries being previewed right now. So we can double click on that, and this will give you all the settings for this photo. I've already put in the alt text. The link is set to open up the collection item, so it's all good. So in order to edit the collection item, it's just like any of the other ones. We want to go to collections and then manage items. Okay, so you can see the sample one that I've created, and there are a few different fields. Like usual, there's the name and the slug. But then we also have photos, and this is for all the photos that go into the gallery, and then we have cover photo, and that's the one that shows up as a preview on that photo galleries page. So that's this guy here. So in order to select photos for the gallery, you just go to select from Media Manager, and then we can just select whichever photos you want to include in the gallery. They'll show up here. And then whatever name shows up, or whatever name you type in here, is what's going to be displayed right here on this page. So if you want to name them based on the property, then you can do that, and it'll automatically load that onto the page. Alright, so these are the only field things for each gallery. If you'd like me to include anything else, maybe like a little short write-up or something for each gallery, we can do that as well. But for now, I think this is a great start. Let me know what you think and if you need anything else. Thanks!